In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a new calendar account in Outlook and sync your Hostinger email settings seamlessly. Managing your schedule and staying organized has never been easier, and with just a few simple steps, you'll have everything set up for efficient time management. First things first, let's open Outlook. Whether you're using the desktop app or your web browser, navigate to Outlook and get yourself ready to tweak your calendar settings. Once Outlook is open, you're going to want to head straight to the calendar section since that's where all the magic happens. Now, to add a new calendar account, locate the option that lets you manage calendar accounts, usually under an option called Manage Calendars or something similar, tucked away within the calendar interface. It may be visually represented by an icon or found within a Tools menu, so keep your eyes peeled for it. When you click to add a new account, this is where you'll introduce your Hostinger email settings. If you haven't yet configured Hostinger for your calendar, now's the perfect time to do so. Entering your Hostinger email settings might seem like an intricate task, but it's really straightforward once you break it down step by step. You'll need both your email address associated with Hostinger and the corresponding password, but don't rush just yet. Outlook will ask for the server settings for Hostinger, and while this might sound technical, Hostinger generally provides this information on their support page or within your account dashboard. If you're unsure, a quick visit to the Hostinger website support section will guide you through obtaining these settings. After you've carefully entered all the necessary information, take a moment to double check that all the details are correct. Trust me, this quick once-over will save you a lot of potential headaches later when syncing your calendar. Once you're satisfied everything is in place, proceed with the next prompt. Now let's focus on syncing your calendar. This is the critical part where all the information from your Hostinger account will integrate with Outlook. Generally, the syncing process begins automatically once you've finalized your settings. However, if you don't see your agendas appearing immediately, you might want to trigger a manual sync. Find the Synchronize button, often located at the top or within your calendar settings menu. With one click, it will align your Outlook calendar with Hostinger, pulling all the relevant data into view. And there you have it. Your Outlook is now enhanced with a newly added calendar account, complete with Hostinger email settings. This setup will help keep your appointments organized and accessible no matter where you are. By following these steps, you can ensure a smooth syncing process that keeps you on top of your schedule. Thanks for tuning in and happy organizing. If you need more help, feel free to leave a comment below. Until next time, take care and stay efficient.